Hello friends, okay, right now I have a set of 4 powders and we're gonna test them. These powders are fluorescent powders initially named as TAT-33, widely sold and advertised as one of the most bright powders in this world, which have a long time of post-condensance and they're pretty much expensive. But I want to show you that it's not all like it seems to be. Okay, we have 4 powders: green, red, supposedly white, and violet. Right now I'm showing them in pretty bright conditions. We have tabletop lamp, daylight spectrum, and let's check these powders on what they can show us after several minutes of condensance light charge. Turn off. Okay, let's see the results. Okay, as you can see, green powder immediately starts to glow and show some more or less performance in terms of power of light. However, others show no condensance, they do not glow at all, and we can immediately show the false results of this advertisement and the false price expectations from these powders. Green had been already added into this piece of nail polish. It's 80 microns thick and it glows pretty good. Let's do next test. We have bright light, which will allow us to charge our powders and to see what they show us, what will be colors, and what post-glow we expect. So this is expected to be violet, obviously. Almost no post-glow, and it's not violet. White one is not white either. It's like more greenish. And the red one has green tint also. So it's the same powder, but used with different colors, which do not hide its greenish. And actually, if we're talking about violet, it doesn't work at all. It's just green one. Okay, let's wait for some time and see what in terms of post-condensance we'll have for these powders. Oh, the green one is beautiful. As you can see, powders already almost faint. The camera shows them pretty bright, but in fact this is a night camera capable device, and in fact your eyes will not see as much glow as there is. Camera shows indeed white color, but it's light greenish, and the red absolutely faint to the naked eye. So the green one is the best. The brightest. Camera showed it really bright, but to your eye it pretty much faint too. Okay, this is ready product. Nail polish with 80 microns seeds, and you know, it looks fine. Of course you need to all the mass is down. It's not really moving inside this vial. That's it. Thank you very much for your attention. And maybe you will not be scammed next time. Buy the green one, it's the only one working perfectly. Others just scam.